In front of me is ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for one-handed shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then you need to swipe down from the button of your screen to enter it. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back, swipe up instead, or click on this dark area. To disable one-handed mode completely, go into Tab menu again and click on the same shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!